I walked a lonely road, thought I was alone, till I heard a voice that spoke behind me. It said so softly, "You're not on your own." I turned around, and there in front of me was a man with nail-prints in his hands and in his feet. He took my hand and wiped away a tear, then said to me, "My child, I've been here. I have walked this road 100,000 times. I've seen through your eyes. Your pain's always been mine. So let me carry you just a portion of the way. And when you're tired, your burdens I will take." I surrendered all, as into his arms I fell, with my brother as my savior. I knew all would be well. In Gethsemane